Good morning, Miss East Class. Hope you all doing well. Shout out, hello and good morning to Bryce, Camilla, Samir, Makai, Matthew, Hassan, Max, Lucas, and Kevin. Hope you all being good out there in your houses. So we're gonna read Animal Band to you guys. I'm gonna read Animal Band to you guys today by author Christopher Jennings. That means he wrote the book, and illustrator by Christopher Jennings. What does illustrator mean again, guys? He drew the pictures, and illustrations is what? A fancy word for pictures. So let's get started. There's some animals and pictures. Let's get reading. When the door's been locked and the owner's away, out come the instruments. It's time to play. Look at the animals being silly with some instruments. Look at that. Walter has the drums. Grab some pots and pans. Thomas gets something for the Animal Band. Big Rock plays trumpet and harmonica too. The knock on the door, it's a gang from the zoo. Open up the windows, open up the door, turn on the lights. There's room for more. There's room for all the animals. All the animals, guys. So many choices, which one to pick? Let's get something to play. You have to be quick. So let's see. We got the bear playing the violin, fish saxophone, elephant playing clarinet. The dog looks kind of like nervous. All the animals in his house. Make a way for the lion because he's one cool cat. Just a cool cat, guys. Instrument does a bat play. Let's see. What's play? What do you think? I think maybe guitar. Let's find out. I don't know. Ting! He plays the triangle. I get it. You can play it upside down or for front. Slow down, Thomas. Don't run away. Come join the band. It's fun to play. Oh, Thomas looks upset about something. Look at him. He looks nervous, doesn't he? Maybe he's afraid of all these animals in his house. Get him something, then say, "Oh no, there's nothing left to strum or blow." Don't you cry, Thomas. We'll take care of you. You can try the clatter-a-zoo. What's a clatter-a-zoo? That looks loud. Doesn't that look loud? Clatter-a-zoo. Why, it's a brand new we put together just for you. Oh, it's for the dog. It's for Thomas. They gather near. The room is quiet. Nobody breathe. He's gonna try it. He give it a look. He give it a smell. He reaches a tap on its silvery bell. Tink. A tone so quiet, just one little sound. Then the cataroo starts moving around. It's slow at first, but it picked up speed. It start banging and thumping to sets the beat. Look at that, he's playing an instrument, clatter-a-zoo. He's having fun. All the gang joins in. They're the best in the land. They play all the night long. They're the... What are they? What are they? You guys know what they are? Look at all these guys. What are they? Let's find out. They are the Animal Band! All the animals playing together. No. And then they're asleep before the parents get home. Before the humans get home, guys. Hope you all enjoyed Animal Band. I know I did. Miss you all, you guys. Hope you enjoyed the reading. Let me know any book recommendations you want me to read next. Leave a comment. Bye, guys.